An earthquake with a time of 26.4 occurred in the Bantul area of the special region of Yogyakarta at 19.7 West Indonesian time. To be clear, yes, the condition there are the time or after this earthquake occurred some times ago. It is absolutely true that earthquake with a magnitude of 6.4 just occurred on the Richter scale, which occurred at 19.47, and the epicenter of the earthquake was in southwest of the Bantul district, Yogyakarta special region, and we were lucky enough because the depth was around 25 kilometers below the surface. We can also say that this earthquake caused a number of areas in the Yogyakarta Special Region province to experience or feel the earthquake both in the Bantul Regency. Dan Gunung Kidul Kulon Progo, Yogyakarta City itself, and also where we live in Sleman Regency, Special Region of Yogyakarta. A number of residents where we live or where we are also leaving their homes to absorb the worst possible impact for the earthquake occurred at 19.57 minutes earlier. So far, from the information we have collected, there have been no reports of damage to either house or victim. Due to the earthquake that occurred a few minutes ago refers corrected information that the earthquake had a magnitude of 6.67. What is second feel like there? Felt by almost all residents who live in the special region of Yogyakarta, and for residents who are happy to be at home. They could feel the shaking, especially the vibration on the window panes and also the shaking on the sleeve. What is called the place for rising household furniture, and also those of us who were in wooden house in Yogyakarta also felt their wood there was a fairly long and hard shaking. But after that, because of the shaking or the depth of the earthquake, which was 25 kilometers below the surface, so far there has no information regarding any victim or significant damage due to the earthquake. We who live in the special region of Yogyakarta have experience with the earthquake in 2006, which has resulted in us being quite alert, so that every time an earthquake occurs, especially in the past, the magnitude mentioned earlier was from 6.4 and then correct by the BMKG to 6.6 on the scale of 1. So automatically residents will also immediately leave the house and choose an open place to anticipate the possibility get information, perhaps from the city government, regional government, and appeal to the community with her there will be aftershock. What should they first? First of all, say that the people in Yogyakarta have experienced quite a earthquake before, so they are used to do. You could say something like because there is a disclaimer from the BMKG that this earthquake did not cause a tsunami. This has caused other residents to panic so that residents do not panic too much. And so far, the Yogyakarta Special Region Government through the Yogyakarta Special Region BPBD has also not issued an appeal containing instruction for the price to act as to what will happen, but based on will it is still best based on the experience that has been experienced by those of us who live in the special region of Yogyakarta, we will always be alert, and it is possible that there is aftershock of a smaller nature or nature. It will not have a more significant impact. However, residents or citizens will be alert, and as far as we observe, this where we live in Sleman Regency, special region of Yogyakarta. A number of residents were still outside their homes. I might add, although there was no damage and there is no information about any victim as a result of the earthquake. The earthquake, measuring 6.6 on the Richter scale in the place, did indeed make residents in Riverel Place in the Bantul Regency, then in the city of Yogyakarta as well as in Kulon Progo and Sleman Regencies, and at least they were shocked and made them immediately come out of the house into an open place, giving us image of or as large as 6.6 on the Richter scale of magnitude 6.6. It has been updated by the BMKG already. Is that true? Did it cause any damage to the area where you live? How was their heart? Perhaps on the walls, or what was the impact like as we said before? There was so significant damage or not information yet. Please mention any damage caused by the earthquake, but I can describe an earthquake with a stretch of 6.6 on the Richter scale occurred which just happened at 19.57 form, where we felt in was like a truck passing in front of our road, so there was a shaking and then there was a vibration which we really felt so then. By coincidence, I had just arrived at the yard, and then I saw the family members, and the child also immediately came out of the house and calmly left the house. Get out of the house calmly and then look for an open place to avoid the worst possible consequence of the earthquake. I am still in the yard of house, which is located in Wedomartani village, Ngemplek district, Sleman Regency Special Regions of Yogyakarta. If we draw a straight line to Bantul, we are approximately 16 kilometers away. How about the earthquake that occurred at 19.57? To be precise, less than 13 minutes ago. How many earthquakes have there been? So far, we have not felt any aftershock. Worship there. Our residents gather in a place of worship in an open area or something like that. Once again, there is not instruction or gathering of residents carried out by the local government. Or for example, if we live in a village, the mosque is also not broadcast via loudspeaker or toa for residents to leave the house, but once again we have experienced in 2006. When an earthquake occurred, we would go out and then look for an open place to anticipate the worst possible consequence of the earthquake that occurred. We are still asking about the condition of the neighbor's house. So far, residents have started off to return to their house because there was no damage, and so far I haven't gathered any information. From the Yogyakarta Special Region (BPD), there have been no reports of damage or casualties reports of occurring as a result of the earthquake at 19.57. We also hope that there will be one aftershock there and that you and the Indonesian citizen and people in the special region of Yogyakarta are all in good health. Thank you for joining us on CNN Indonesia.